Okay, so this is section 4.5, and I'm given two functions here, and I'm asked to find the sum of those functions, and then I'm asked to find the product of those functions there, okay? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write out the definition for the sum of functions. That's f of x plus g of x, and this is going to represent x squared minus 3, parentheses, plus x plus 1, parentheses. Literally, the sum of the functions is the sum of the individual functions, okay? So when I have this here, all I've got to do is collect like terms. So this is just going to be x squared, okay? And then I have plus x, and then I've got a negative 3 and a positive 1. So that's going to give me negative 2. If I wanted to compute, so f plus g of x, if I wanted to compute this right here, f plus g of negative 1, everywhere I see an x, what am I going to put? I'm going to plug in a negative 1. So f plus g of negative 1, what does this equal? It's parentheses negative 1 squared plus parentheses negative 1 minus 2. Don't forget those parentheses. It's really going to help you out, okay? So what is this going to be? So negative 1 squared, that's 1, and then minus 1 minus 2. So what's this give me? It gets me negative 2. So my answer here is negative 2. All right, fg, this is f of x times g of x. So what's going on here? F of x is parentheses x squared minus 3 times g of x, parentheses x plus 1. I promise you the hardest part about this is putting a parentheses around your functions or whatever you're plugging into, okay? So I've got two binomials. When I multiply together, I can use double distribute or the FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. So the first, that's x times x squared, that's x cubed. And then I have what? X squared times 1, that's plus x squared. And then inside is negative 3 and x, that's minus 3x. And then the last is negative 3. So this is fg of x. If I want to calculate fg of 2, literally everywhere I see an x, I plug in a 2. If that was a dog, I'd plug in a dog, all right? But put a parentheses around it. So 2 cubed plus 2 squared minus 3 times 2 minus 3. Ooh, 8 plus 4 minus 6 minus 3. So that's going to be what? 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. Okay?